Weichung Wei, welcome on stage. Delighted to have you. So Weichung is with Contrel,
Hmm.
and you'll be telling us about the key laser equipment for micro LED display mass production.
Hmm.
Uh,
Thank you, Kasa.
so it's a pleasure to have you here. And whenever you're ready, please share your slides.
Sure. So my presentation is key laser equipment for micro LED display mass production. So first up, let me just spend a couple of minutes to introduce Control Technology. We are a equipment company based in Taiwan. We design and manufacture our equipment for display, semiconductor, and microelectronics. And our equipment includes automation, optical inspection, and also laser processing equipment. For micro LED since 2017, we have been developing um, solutions for mini and micro LED application. And we since then we have launched a suite of equipment which I'll talk about later on a later slides. So we are a 56 million capital company. We are publicly listed, 25-year-old, about 480 people. That's about roughly our scale. We are based in Taiwan, southern Taiwan, in fact, called Tainan. It's a science park. We have presence in Taiwan and China, and also a small office in the U.S. So we are for the next coming years we have plans to go more international. Just a quick look back on the display technologies in the past year. So first up, we have the cathode ray tube that's been around for a long time before it's overtaken by TFT LCD, which also takes about 30 years to gain the kind of maturity that it has now. And since then, we have plasma and SCE display, which has come and gone, and we have right now we have e-ink, OLED, and QLED display, which have been stuck around, and then with the uh, applications. And 2014, micro LED came on the scene when Apple acquires Luxview, and since then it has taken off. But actually, micro LED has been around since 1999, and it has been hailed as one of the simplest, the ultimate display. But it has been plagued by technology challenges that has been not been really tackled successfully until recently. So the prospect micro LED has all its advantages, and right now we are seeing that it will gain its best usage in the public display, automotive display, and also consumer large size panels, with Samsung being the champion in this area. For Contrel, so as I mentioned, we have been looking at micro LED since 2017, and since then we have developed this whole suite of equipment that address the new process manufacturing challenges posed by this micro LED. We have a selective lift off, which drops LED from a sapphire, for example, onto a carrier. And then we have also instead of the normal pick and place, we have a transfer head that takes multiple tens and thousands of micro LED up, and then we have laser mass transfer. We actually the key is the bonding. We have this head that also press down on the back plane and then bond the micro LED onto the back plane. And depending on, we have ways to check how well the bonding is. If the particular micro LED is no good, we have laser that trim off the micro LED, and then we have a selective mesh repair that bonds missing micro LED, repair adds the good micro LED to the empty spaces occupied by the previously bad micro LED. And also we have metal replay that can repair the backplane traces that might be defective in all this process. And for mass transfer, the state of the art that we have is that the transfer yield is 99.99%, with less than 1 millisecond per chip transfer and bonding. The minimum LED size we have tested is 5 times 10 micrometer,